Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. I'm Nenye. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare cold pressed coconut oil at home. With the numerous healthy benefits and uncountable uses of coconut oil, you should be making yours at home because it's a healthy oil. So lovelies, let's start. I will be using 3 mature coconuts to make this cold pressed oil. Always remember to use mature coconut because they produce more oil. First, we will need to drain the coconut water out. You know, a coconut has 3 eyes. So I will open the 3 eyes using a screwdriver or a knife, just like this. I will now turn the coconut upside down to let the water out. You can drink it or save it for cooking. Once I'm done taking the coconut water out, I will take a hammer to crack open the coconut. So now I will use a knife to separate the coconut flesh from the shell. After separating the coconut flesh from the shell, slice it into small pieces to help your blender, like this. So when you are done slicing the coconut flesh, you set your blender ready and put the coconut flesh into the blender. Add in enough water to help your blender. I will be doing that with cool water. So blend. Now that I've blended my coconut, I will take a cheese bag and place it into a bowl. That cloth that we use in sieving agidi or akamu in Nigeria. You can either do this with clean piece of cloth or with sieve. Pour the coconut over the bag and squeeze out the juice from the coconut. Squeeze it very hard so that all the juice will come out. After the squeezing, we cover the bowl with a plastic wrap. This. And put it in the fridge. Leave it for about 7 to 8 hours so that the coconut oil can separate from the water. After about 7 hours in the fridge, I take out the coconut. As you can see, it separated the cream on top, the milk and the water in the bottom. So I'll now take the coconut cream, which is the white part, and place it on a clean cloth. So I will use a knife to do this. After that, I will transfer the coconut cream into a clean bowl. Please do not get confused. This is not a coconut oil yet. It is a coconut cream. So I will cover it with a plastic wrap. I will keep it in a warm place overnight for it to melt. I will now sieve the water I separated from the coconut cream into a bowl. You can cook coconut rice or white rice with it. I have had the coconut cream in a warm place for overnight. So the coconut cream is now in 3 layers. In the top, we have the cream. In the middle, the oil. And in the bottom, the water. So in order to extract the water from the coconut oil, I will put it back to the fridge for about 2 hours. It has been about 2 hours since we put the coconut oil into the fridge. Taking it out now, you can see the oil and the water. Above, we have the oil. Below, the water. Now, I will remove the oil from the water. So right now, we have the oil and cream mixed together. So in order to remove the cream from the oil, we have to keep the bowl in a warm place for 3 hours. So after placing the bowl in a warm place for about 2 hours, we can clearly see that the oil has separated itself from the cream. Now I will use a small sieve like this to separate the oil from the cream. I will stop taking out the oil because it's now mixed with the cream, as you can see here. But I will keep it. Later I will take out the remaining one. I will advise you not to throw it away because it still contains a lot of oil in there. After separating the coconut oil from the cream, this is all I could get from 3 coconuts. Look at how pure the cold pressed oil is. Healthy cold pressed oil, perfect for your skin, hair, cooking, baking, and for makeup remover. Coconut oil is a very healthy oil, and most especially when you have kids that has dry skin, it helps a lot. So my unique ones, if you have found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share my video with friends and family. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye bye.